Hello students, in this video I'm gonna tell you about the format of notice writing. I'm also telling you the topics of notice writing, the important topics of notice writing which you can practice or of what type of notice can come. A notice of any competition can be there. For example, if you are having any competition in your school, then you can place a notice on your school notice board. So it can be of competition also. Other examples are an excursion trip. Excursion means picnic. For example, you are going on a tour, any exhibition, either in your school or outside the school. A lost and found notice. For example, if you have lost something or you have found something, you can give a notice for it in your school also, or even in the public places also. Next is an inauguration to take place. And the next is a camp to be held. मतलब कोई भी कैंप हो सकता है. It can be blood donation camp, it can be a summer camp. So these are the topics which you have to consider nicely. You have to prepare them for, as they are important topics and usually can be asked in your exams. Now next thing I'm going to tell you is marks weightage of notice writing, that how many marks you can gain from notice writing in your exams. Marks weightage is 4 marks. This notice comes in your exam for 4 marks. Now how these 4 marks are divided? They are divided into 3 categories. First of all, format. Second is content. And next is expression. Format will be of 1 mark. Content will be of 2 marks. And expression will be of 1 mark. So in this way, we get total 4 marks. Format, I will be telling you how to write a notice. Content में क्या होता है? First of all, you have to tell everything whatever. For example, कोई competition है तो हमें competition की सारी info देनी है उसमें कि our school या this is to inform you our school is going to organize something and then you will tell that about everything about the competition. But the main thing what we have to consider in content is you have to tell the date, you have to tell the time, you have to tell the duration as well as the venue. That is much more important in any notice. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the pro forma, or we can say the format of notice writing. First of all, remember that we have to enclose the notice in a box. So first of all, we can write our things, we can write our content, name of issuing authority. दिस विल कम इन बिटवीन, मतलब दोनों तरफ से इक्वल स्पेसेस छोड़ करके हमें ये बीच में लिखना है नेम ऑफ इशूइंग अथॉरिटी. इशूइंग अथॉरिटी कैन बी योर स्कूल, इशूइंग अथॉरिटी कैन बी अ नेम ऑफ कंपनी और एनीथिंग वट एवर इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. देन लीविंग वन लाइन इन द कैपिटल लेटर्स वी विल राइट नोटिस. This we have to write in small letters. Initials can be capital. This we can write in capital letters. Then leaving one line on the left hand corner we will write date. And then again in between we'll write title. Title can also be caps lock, or even if you want you can write in small letters. The title should be attractive. As you have seen in expression there is 1 mark ना. तो एक्सप्रेशन में क्या है? एक्सप्रेशन में यही चीज़ें हैं कि आप अपनी लैंग्वेज को किस तरीके से एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं, अपने नोटिस को किस तरीके से एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. इट डजेंट रिक्वायर एनी ड्राइंग मटेरियल, बट लैंग्वेज शुड बी गुड. थोड़ा अट्रैक्टिव सी लैंग्वेज होनी चाहिए, अट्रैक्टिव से वर्ड्स यूज़ करने चाहिए. जैसे टाइटल लिखना है तो टाइटल भी एक सुनकर ना अच्छा सा लगना चाहिए कि अच्छा कुछ ऐसा मज़ेदार चीज़ होने वाली है, तो दैट शुड बी द टाइटल. एंड देन यू विल राइट आर कंटेंट आफ्टर लिविंग वन लाइन, एंड कंटेंट और बॉडी वॉट एवर यू कैन से. And it must include date, time, duration and venue. These are the most important things which should be expressed in content. And the very last thing, after you have done you have written full content, here with the left hand margin you have to write your name, or you can also write signature. You can write your name, or also you can give your signature, but name is much more appropriate. If you are giving your signature also, just then write name, and below that name also you can give your signature. And then in bracket you have to write post. For example, you are the school secretary, you are, for example, being a student, you are school head girl or head boy, so you can write your name. For example, we have given Alia. Alia can be name and post can be head girl. The post you have to write in bracket, name should not be in bracket. So this is the format of notice writing. I hope you have understood this. The very last thing, which is very important, enclose the notice within a box. I'm making the lines with hand as I am not having scale this time, but you will make this with your scale only. There should be no curves in the lines. So this is the format of notice writing. After this I will be giving you some questions of notice writing. Hope you all have understood. If you are having any query, you can ask me. Okay, bye bye.